how do you tell the difference between, okay, somebody's having a bad day as a leader, or they're a little bit of a jerk, or you're being bullied?
Yeah, the difference is one word: pattern.
Mm,
You gotta be able to see. I mean, look, we all have bad days, right? I
yeah.
mean, no one's
Yeah,
gonna be
sure.
their best self always. You could be under caffeinated, you could be sick. You could have all sorts of different things going on. And if it's a one-off and you're just like snappy or just in a terrible mood, that's one thing. But workplace bullying is something different. It's the repeated behaviors that happen that undermine, humiliate, intimidate, or harm an employee, repeated and unreasonable. So that's the when you think about the definition of workplace
Mm,
bullying, it's repeated and unreasonable. So you can do something as a one-off, and because if you were to go to HR, human resources, and complain about workplace bullying, if you don't have an established pattern that you bring to the table, then what you're describing is someone having a bad day. It's
yeah.
not cool. Don't get me wrong. It's not cool, but it's harder to be able to hold it down when you don't have a real pattern of behavior established. So that's the main difference. One-offs versus patterns.